Na-amaze ako kasi ang daming different small businesses na nandun na nakakatuwa kasi masasabi mong si Daily Tribune, tinutulungan talaga nila yung mga small businesses katulad namin.
Yes, yun kasi talaga yung aim ng Daily Tribune to help you guys. At saka syempre, nakakatuwa din kasi wala kayong binayaran to expose you guys. And yun kasi yung ano namin sustainable. At saka locally produced yan. At saka locally sourced. So, Tudings. Bakit pala ang pangalan ay Tudings?
Yung Tudings Gourmet kasi, nanggaling sa pangalan ng mom ko.
Oh, okay.
Si Tuding. So, actually, it's my son idea to have that name. Kasi sabi niya, Mom, I think yung Tudings is like, alam mo yun, matandang pangalan na bagay para sa pagkain. So,
and then, kailan nagsimula yung business?
Actually, we've been in this business for a long time. Pero, nag-start lang kami yung mga business permit namin since 2022 lang.
Oh, okay.
Kasi we decided this business na maging online at saka yan nga, yung doing it sa mga bazaar. Nung time na I decided na to stop working on the ship. So sabi ko, hindi po pwedeng nasa bahay lang. So I have to help my husband para naman sa future namin. And of course, to help also others na na mabigyan din sila ng yung kita. Kasi hindi lang si Tudings Gourmet yung kinikater namin. Marami kaming products na kinukuha rin namin sa iba't ibang lugar na binibenta rin namin.
So livelihood rin siya.
Yes, livelihood din.
Ayan.